The round frame clamp will ship with the inner piece and the outer piece connected with 2 bolts. We'll remove the 2 bolts and set them aside where you won't lose them or confuse them with any of your other mount pieces. The smaller part of the clamp is the inner piece and will be installed on the underside of the chair. The larger part with the grooves is the outer piece and will face the outside of the chair. Just a tip, whenever you see these black grooves, there will be another piece that connects to it in a later step. To make this installation easier, I'm going to remove the seat from the chair. That way I can work underneath the chair to fasten the bolts. If you have the space and your seat isn't easily removable, you can install this in the opposite orientation and then rotate to the correct orientation before tightening. Not all wheelchairs will have the space to spin after, so you may need to begin with them in the final orientation. So now we can align these pieces on the chair where we want the mount to be affixed. Holding the clamp in place, we can start to thread the bolts through. We want to keep the spacing even on all sides as we tighten. If you did rotate your clamp, just make sure it's in the final orientation before fully tightening. Now I'll use my red T-handle wrench to tighten both bolts. And with our frame clamp installed, we're now ready to move on to the next step of the installation.